Another question we run into is, what shielding gas should I use while bore welding? And actually just the other day I was at a place doing a training, and the guy I had called and said, do you have 75-25? And he said, yeah, we've got 75-25. And I showed up, and the only gas they had was an argon CO2 oxygen mix, which actually is really not good for bore welding out of position. So in general, we're going to stick to a 75-25 argon CO2 for out of position welding, which is the horizontal axis, and then in the vertical axis with the horizontal weld, we can run a 92.8 argon CO2. And so the argon CO2 of 92.8 will be less spatter, and then the argon CO2 of 75-25 is much better for faster puddle freeze and a little bit of dig. So that's generally where we're at with bore welding. And that's with mild steel, obviously. So a whole different world when we get into exotics.